All right, so today, what day is it today?
July 9th.
Okay, so it's July 9th. So about, April 6th of this year, 2025, I said now is the time to buy. I said that the market, whether you buy, that now is the time to get out of your bonds, get out of your if you have savings or treasuries or whatever, start buying equities. So today, July 9th, 2025, from the time that I said that statement on April.
Today is April 4th, 2025. You can quote me on this. Right now is the time to buy. The next, whether it be 2 weeks to 2 months, if you have 10 cents or if you have 10 trillion, 10 octillion, 10 million, whatever the number is, now is the time to get out of your debt positions and move into equity. That's what you got to do. Sell your bonds. Take out your savings and buy equity, whether it be the S&P 500, whether it be your favorite company. Now is the time to buy equities. Now's the time to buy stocks.
But we begin with the stock market struggling to get back on its feet this morning following the biggest sell-off we've seen since 2020. This is a live look right now at the Dow, which is down more than 2.5% in the red again today. That's equal to $1 trillion in value. Adding to the uncertainty, China announced new retaliatory tariffs of their own in response to President Trump's tariff.
Real estate, this is the time to partner with your man.
Now, everything's changed. So the market has gone up over 23% in the past 3 months. If you invested $1 billion, from your savings into equities or whatever, you'd be making over $230 million with the 23% return that we are right now. Once again, it's July 9th, a little over 3 months from April 6th. If you had $1 billion, literally you'd be making 23 million. If you had 100,000, you'd be making over 23,000. Doing nothing, just investing in the market, investing in your equities. And people ask why I care about finance. Well, think about it. Right now, 3 days ago, literally over 108 people are missing, or 118 people, or 180 people or something crazy are dead from the Kearns flooding. So think about, if you invested 100,000 and you made 23,000, even if you took 2,000 of the 23,000 and donated it to the people in Kearns, how much good that would do. Think of the people who are starving. Think of if you have your own children and they were missing. Think of the people that you could pay to try to find your children. Think of the good that you could do. Even if it was 10%, say if you had that 100,000 and you made 23,000, even 10% of that, of it being 2,300 of the good that you could do. So remember that. Remember that your finance is important. It could save somebody's life. So think about that. Remember to invest properly. And if we can help you on your financial journey, that's what we want to do.